Here's Starbug doing what dogs do best, eating. I'm constantly amazed at how indignant people get about dogs wanting to eat what they encounter. What species would be viable that passed up food it came across? Let's recognize that we're swimming upstream here. Food stealing happens on the street, off counters, tabletops, coffee tables, and garbage cans. People drone on about the dog knowing it's wrong, yet doing it anyway, but to a dog, what could possibly be wrong with eating? Dogs have no concept of right versus wrong. They have a concept of safe versus dangerous. If the dog has been successful one or more times stealing food, subsequent punishments, even if they're well timed, don't teach him that it's wrong to eat garbage or sandwiches, but do teach him when it is safe to do so, when you're not around. It's like speed traps. Tickets make us humans better at avoiding radar traps. They usually don't impact our long-term behavior.